Welcome to your French class. In this class, we are going to learn the usage of adjective possessive. In French, possessive adjectives are used in front of a noun to indicate to whom or to what those nouns belong. And it has several different forms depending on the gender and number of the possessed noun. So here we have the list of adjective possessive which we are going to use in the following sentences. For my, it is mon, ma, me. For your, it is ton, ta, te. For his and her, it is son, sa, se. For our, it is notre, notre, no. For your, for plural cases also, it is votre, votre, vo. For their, it is leur, leur. For all the masculine singulars and vowel singular cases, we will use mon, ton, son, notre, votre, leur. For all the feminine singular cases, we will use ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, leur. For all the plural cases, we will use me, te, se, no, vo and leur. For detailed explanation of adjective possessive, please go to the above link. Now, we will start with the first sentence. Now, let us take the first statement. J'ouvre mon parapluie. I open or I am opening my umbrella. Parapluie is masculine singular, so we have used mon. Now, the second statement is Je vois mes parents. That means I see my parents. Now, parents word is plural, so we have used mes. Now, the third statement is Il apporte son cahier. Means he brings or he is bringing his notebook. Now, cahier is masculine singular, so we have used son. Now, the fourth statement is Ils téléphonent à leurs amis. Means they phone or they make a call to their friends. Now, the fifth statement is Vous invitez votre cousin? That means, are you inviting your cousin? Now, cousin is masculine singular, so we have used masculine singular case for vous. Now, the sixth statement is Nous lisons notre roman. That means we read or we are reading our novel. Now, roman is masculine singular, so we have used notre. Now, the seventh statement. Tu finis ton travail. Now, travail word is masculine singular, so we have used ton here. Now, it means, are you finishing your work? Now, statement number 8. Comment va ta sœur? That means, how is your sister? Now, sœur word is feminine singular, so we have used ta here. Now, the ninth statement. Je joue avec mon chien. I play or I am playing with my dog. Chien word is masculine singular, so we have used mon. Now, sentence number 10. Il appelle son ami. It means he is calling his friend. Although ami here is feminine, but it is starting with a vowel. So, we will use son ami. Now, 11th statement. Mon frère étudie beaucoup. That means my brother studies a lot. Now, here can be many other possibilities like ton frère, mon frère, son frère. Because no subject is given here, so we can take any masculine singular case here. Now, the 12th statement. Il va à son école. That means they are going to their school. Although école here is feminine, but it is starting with a vowel, so we have used masculine singular case here. Now, sentence number 13. Je veux mon cahier. I want my notebook. Now, cahier word is masculine singular, so we have used mon. Now, sentence number 14. Donne-moi ton adresse. That means give me your address. Now, adresse word is starting with a vowel, so we will take ton, the masculine singular case, which is also used for all the vowel singular cases. Donne-moi ton adresse. Now, sentence number 15. Nous apportons nos stylos. That means we bring our pens. Stylo is masculine plural, so we have used nos. Nous apportons nos stylos. We are bringing our pens. Now, sentence number 16. Ils envoient leurs cadeaux. That means they send their gifts. Cadeau word is masculine plural, so we'll use leur. Now, sentence number 17. Aimez-vous votre ville? That means, do you like your city? Now, wheeled word is feminine singular, so we will use votre. Now, sentence number 18. Pierre porte ses gants. That means Pierre is wearing his gloves. Now, gants word is plural here, so we will use ses gants. Now, sentence number 19. Nous faisons notre question. That means we do our questions. Now, question is feminine singular, so we have used notre question. Now, sentence number 20. Elle aime sa cousine. She loves her cousin. Now, cousine word is feminine singular, so we have used sa here. Sa cousine. So, this is how to place adjective possessive in sentences according to the given subject. So, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.